So we are now evaluating the process of washing dish plates based on motion economy principles and propose efficiency improvements using work study and time measurement methods. Upon evaluation, these are the principles of motion economy that has been used. First, the two hands that begin as well as complete their motions at the same time. Next, the two hands are not idle at the same time except during rest periods. Motion of the arms are made in opposite and symmetrical directions and made simultaneously. Eye fixations are few and close together as possible. There are a definite and fixed place for all tools and materials. And lastly, tools, materials, and controls are located close to the point of use. So now for the two improved methods using the principles of work study and measurement. First is to minimize the range of motion by creating a sink setup where dishes flow in a straight line. By doing this, You can perform smaller controlled movements, use less energy than large sweeping motions, less strains on shoulders, back, and arms, especially during important long dishwashing sessions. Also, results to increase speed and output. Keeping everything within easy reach reduces time spent moving between tasks. And movements become more repeatable and rhythmic, which makes training easier and boosts productivity. The next improvement is the alternation of hands for better output. Using the alternating hands dishwashing layout, this can result to increased efficiency and speed. By assigning specific tasks to the left and right hand and keeping movement flowing in one direction, the worker avoids wasted motion and hesitation. The rhythm helps maintain a steady pace, reducing mental fatigue from decision making.